Oh, no, no, no. This cannot be happening. Where is my coffee?
Good morning, James. Why are you shouting so early?
Look at the machine, Anna. It says out of order. This is a total nightmare.
It is just a machine. Don't be so dramatic.
Dramatic? My morning is officially over without caffeine. I cannot think.
Well, your hair looks like you didn't think much about this morning anyway.
Not funny, Anna. I have a very important meeting in 10 minutes. It's urgent.
Why don't you try some green tea? It's very healthy and fresh, too.
Tea? No way! Tea is for people who want to take a nap. Let's see, maybe if I just tap it here. 1, 2, oh my! What was that? It almost jumped at me.
Oh no! Stop it, James. You broke the coffee machine.
I just wanted to help. Now it looks even worse. What should I do?
Okay, don't worry. I have a secret for you.
A secret? Do you know a secret coffee shop nearby?
No, even better. Look at this. We have some instant coffee packets. Jane bought them last week and left them here for everyone to use.
Instant coffee? Oh, wow. Anna, you are my savior.
Just take it and go to your meeting. I need to go back to my emails now.
Thank you so much. Let's go and win this day.
I don't believe it. It is gone again. My red stapler is missing.
Oh, hi, Mark. Are you looking for something? You look a bit stressed.
Stressed? I am more than stressed, Lucy. My stapler was right here, next to my pens.
Maybe you forgot it somewhere?
Not funny, Lucy. I am a very organized person. Everything has its own place.
I know. Your desk is so clean it makes me feel nervous.
And look at your desk. It is a complete mess. There are papers everywhere.
Hey, it's not a mess. It's creative freedom. I know where everything is.
Oh, really? Then what is that red object under your pile of folders?
This? Oh, I forgot I had this. I was using it as a paperweight to stop the fan from blowing my files.
Hey, isn't that my stapler?
Oh.
I remembered it now. You borrowed it yesterday and did not give it back.
Oh my, I am so sorry, Mark. I needed to finish some reports and I forgot to return it.
Thank you. Now, can I please have my friend back? I have a lot of documents to finish.
Here you go. Your friend is safe and sound. No scratches.
Good. I will put it back exactly where it belongs, right here at a 90-degree angle.
Wow, you even measure the angle? You are truly a master of organization.
It helps me work faster. You should try it sometime. It might help your memory.
Maybe you're right. Can you help me organize my desk after lunch?
It will be a long job, but okay. Just don't lose my stapler again.
Deal. I'll buy you a coffee as a thank you. No more mess, I promise.
I am packing for my business trip next week, Nina. Do you think I need to pack 3 coats?
George, you are going for 3 days, not 3 months. Let me see your checklist.
Checklist? I don't have one. But look, I have my most important item right here.
Is that a teddy bear? George, you are a manager. Why are you packing a toy?
Don't laugh, Nina. He helps me sleep in hotels. It's a very important business trip partner.
Oh, George, you're so funny. But we need to be serious. Do you have your passport?
My passport? Oh no, I think it is in my desk drawer, or maybe in my car.
Go find it now. A passport is a must-have item.
Found it. Okay, the passport is safe. Now what about clothes? Is this flower shirt okay?
Definitely not. London offices are very formal. You need a dark suit and a clean tie.
A tie? Oh, I hate ties. I always forget how to tie them properly. It's so difficult.
Don't worry, George. Look at me. It's easy. Around the neck, under, and through the loop.
Wow, you did that in 5 seconds. You really are a professional traveler.
Practice makes perfect. Now, put the teddy bear at the bottom of the suitcase.
At the bottom? But he needs to breathe. Okay. I will hide him under my socks.
Good. Do you have your laptop charger and your presentation files?
Yes, they are already in my backpack.
I'm proud of you, George. Well, you may pack some more clothes and snacks, and it shall be okay now.
Thank you so much, Nina. I feel much better now.
You're welcome. Have a safe flight and bring me some English tea.
Deal. I will find the best tea in London for my favorite teammate.
What on earth happened here? Tina, did we get robbed over the weekend?
Good morning, Kevin. No, nobody robbed us. Do you like the new layout?
Like it? I can't even find my desk. My favorite plant and my lucky pen are gone.
Don't panic. Last weekend, our company has moved everyone's desks. Look at this map on my tablet. Your desk should be over there.
Oh, right. I can see my plant and pen now. But why did we have to move anyway? I liked my old corner.
That's the problem. We want everyone to communicate better. Look, the marketing team is now next to sales.
But I'm in design. Why am I sitting way over there near the pantry?
Actually, you are near the creative team now. It's much more logical for your projects.
I don't know, Tina. I hate moving my things. It feels so strange and messy.
Trust me, honey, I spent all Sunday planning this. Each seat was chosen for a reason.
Wait a minute. Is that a big window right next to my desk?
Yes, it is. You always complained about the old office being too dark, remember?
Oh, wow. Look at that view. I can see the whole park and the fountain from here.
Exactly. This window gives you the best natural light for your design work. I told you it was a good idea.
Okay, you win, Tina. This view is worth the move.
I knew you would love it. The new layout is all about energy and fresh starts.
You're right. I feel like I can create something great today.
You're welcome. Now stop staring at the trees and get to work.
Deal. Let's have a productive Monday.
Hey, Peter, stop looking at those boring files. Have you heard the news?
What news, Mia? I am trying to focus so I don't think about my stomach.
A new Italian restaurant just opened across the street. Their pizza looks so tempting.
Pizza? Oh, no, don't say that word. I am on a very strict diet right now.
Come on, it's their opening day. We should order a delivery and celebrate.
I can't order a pizza for lunch today, Mia. I promised myself I would not have lunch today. I need to stay in shape.
But Peter, your brain needs energy. How can you design beautiful things with an empty stomach?
I have my water and some nuts. That should be enough for a creative mind, right?
No way. Scientists say a happy mood makes you work 50% faster, and pizza makes everyone happy.
Which scientists say that?
Me.
You are very good at convincing people, Mia, but my jeans are already too tight.
If you are hungry, you will keep being grumpy like this. And if you are grumpy, our boss will be unhappy.
So you're saying I should eat pizza for the sake of the company?
Exactly. It's a professional responsibility. We need you at your best performance.
Okay, you win, but I still feel guilty about the calories.
Don't worry, I have a perfect solution for our lunch dilemma.
Let me guess, we ordered the pizza and I can just smell it.
No, we will order one large garden salad and just one small thin crust pizza to share.
That sounds like a fair compromise. A lot of greens and a little bit of joy.
Perfect. I will call for delivery right now. Ooh, I can almost taste the melted cheese.
Me too. Suddenly, I feel much more motivated to finish this project.
See? Good food is the best fuel for work. Let's go set the table.
Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more useful English lessons. Now we have a fun homework for you. Please comment below and tell us, what do you often do in your office? Have a nice day, and we'll see you in the next video.